Yo, what's up guys, it's Johnny. Today we're going to be unboxing this tie rod and ball joint kit that I got off of partsgeek.com. This was $37.95. Took about 4 days to get here from the day that I placed the order. I got to do the control arms. We'll unbox those when we get them. But right now, what we have here is the tie rod ends and the ball joints. All right, 2 ball joints, 2 tie rods, four-piece set, steering and suspension kit. So that's pretty much all we got here. Let me go ahead and open these up, take them out the bag so you guys can take a look at them. And these are from TRQ. This is trusted, reliable quality. All right, so once you take everything out the bag, this is exactly what it looks like. This is a 4-piece set for a 2002 Honda Civic. We got the tie rod and ball joint set, $37.95, partsgeek.com. This here is the info for the ball joints. And here are the ball joints. They got the castle nut with the cotter pin. You got this here as well. Now we got the info here for the actual tie rods. And the tie rods here. Again, with the castle nut, the cotter pin. So this was off of partsgeek.com, $37.95. All we're doing is unboxing today. When we install these parts, we'll go ahead and make another video on that so we can learn how to do that together. But all we're doing today, guys, is unboxing. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe.